Hello guys, welcome back to BrainyBuddies. Today we are going to be learning about division of fractions. Now grab a pen and paper because I'm not the only one who's going to be doing it. Because you will solve the questions after you pause the video and you'll solve each question. Then after you find the solution, come back to the video and I will explain it. So here are the questions we are going to be doing. Let's start. 5 by 6 divided by 3 by 10 divided by 7 by 8. Now 5 by 6 will remain as it is. It will remain the same, but 3 by 10 and 7 by 8 will change. We will multiply 5 by 6 with the reciprocals of 3 by 10 and 7 by 8. So 5 by 6 into what is the reciprocal of 3 by 10? 10 by 3. And what is the reciprocal of 7 by 8? It is 8 by 7. So let's solve the question now. 5 into 10 is equal to 50 and 50 into 8 is equal to 400. We have found the numerator. Now let's find the denominator. 6 into 3, 18. 18 into 7, 126. Is it our final answer? No, it's not. Because 400 by 126 is an improper fraction. Now, when we have improper fractions, we convert it into mixed fractions. Let's simplify this fraction first, and then let's go with the mixed fraction. So, let's simplify it using table of 2, which is 200 by 63. This will be 200 by 63. Now, let's solve it into a mixed fraction. 63 will remain as it is. What is the closest number to 200 in the table of 63? It is 63 threes are, which is 189. Now, 189 plus what will give you 200? Well, 189 plus 11 will give you 200, right? So, let's add 11 here. And 311 by 63 is our final answer. I hope you got it. Let's move on to the next question. 4 2 by 3 divided by 3 3 by 4. Now these both are mixed fractions. Now let's convert it into improper fractions. So 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 by 3 into, divided by, what is 3 into 4? 12 plus 3, 15. So divided by 15 by 4. Now we will have to multiply 14 by 3 with the reciprocal of 15 by 4. So 14 by 3 into 4 by 15. That is the reciprocal of 15 by 4, right? 4 by 15. So let's see. 14 into 4, 56. Let's write it here. And 3 into 15, 45. So 56 by 45 is also an improper fraction. Now let's convert it into a mixed fraction. 45 will remain as it is. What is the closest number to 56 in the table of 45? It is 45 ones are, which is 45. 45 twos are too big, which is 90. Is it close to 56? No. So let's take 45 ones are 45. Now, what will give you 45? 45 plus what will give you 56? What will you add to 45 to get 56? You will add 11, right? So that is our final answer, 111 by 45. Let's move on to the next question. 11 by 12 divided by 2, 4 by 5. So let's convert 2 4 by 5 into an improper fraction. So 11 by 12 divided by, what is 2 into 5? 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 by 5. Now 11 by 12 into, what is the reciprocal of 14 by 5? It will be 5 by 14. Let's see. 11 into 5 is equal to 55. And 12 into 14 is equal to 168. Can we convert 55 by 168 into a mixed fraction? No, we cannot, because the numerator is smaller than the denominator, which will give you, which will be a proper fraction, which will give you as a proper fraction. So we cannot convert proper fractions into improper fractions, and this is our final answer then. 55 by 168 is our answer. Let's see another question. 9 by 13 divided by 10 by 23 divided by 6 by 7. So here 9 by 13 will remain the same. 10 by 23 will change into 23 by 10. And 6 by 7 will change into 7 by 6. Now can we simplify any of the numbers? Well, we can simplify 9 and 6 using the table of 3, right? Yeah, we can. So 3 by 13 into 23 by 10 into 7 by 2, which will give you, let's see, it will give you 483. 3 into 23 into 7 will give you 483. And 13 into 10, 130. 130 into 2, 260. It will give you 260. 483 by 260. But is it our final answer? No. This is an improper fraction. So we have to convert it into a mixed fraction. Let's see. 260, 260, sorry, not 263, but 260 will be the denominator. It will remain the same. Now, what is the closest number to 483 in the table of 260? It is 260 itself. So 261s are 260. Plus what will give you 483? What number will you add to 260 to get 483? You will add 223, right? So 261s are 260 and 260 plus 223 will give you 483. Yes. So our final answer is 223 by 260. Correct. Let's see the last question, which is 7 by 8 divided by 2 divided by 1 by 3. So 7 by 8 will remain the same. 2 will turn into its reciprocal 1 by 2. And 7 by 8 into 1 by 2 into, what is the reciprocal of 1 by 3? 3 by 1. So let's see. 7 into 1, 7. 7 into 3, 21. 8 into 2, 16. 16 into 1, 16. It's an improper fraction, right? 21 by 16 is an improper fraction. So we have to convert it into a mixed fraction. 16 ones are 16. That is the nearest to 21 in the 16 table. But what will you add to 16 to get 21? Easy, we'll add 5, right? So 1 5 by 16 will be our final answer for the question 7 by 8 divided by 2 divided by 1 by 3. And 1 5 by 16 will be our final answer. I hope you guys got all the solutions right. If you didn't, then just go back and listen to my explanation again. Thank you a lot for watching. Please stay subscribed for more videos like this and please comment in the chat box if you want any topics to be explained by me. Thank you a lot. Bye bye.